fast. This is a quick plants quiz. First hit subscribe for more fun learning quizzes. Ready? Let's go. Which part of the plant grows underground? Root, leaf, or flower? Yes. Root. Which part makes food using sunlight? Stem, leaf, or seed? Correct. Leaf. What do roots absorb from the soil? Air, water, or flowers? Right. Water. Which part holds the plant upright? Leaf, stem, or flower? Correct. Stem. Which part helps plants make new plants? Root, leaf, or flower? Yes. Flower. What grows into a new plant? Fruit, leaf, or seed? Right. Seed. Which part carries water to the leaves? Root, stem, or flower? Correct. Stem. Which one is not a plant part? Root, leaf, or wing? Yes. Wing. What is usually inside a fruit? Roots, seeds, or leaves? Correct. Seeds. What do plants need to grow? Water, sunlight, air, or all of these? Yes. All of these. Wow! How many did you get right? Smash that like button and replay to see if you can beat your score.